What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here with you today with another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make YouTube videos. Now, as you know, I'm a big YouTube user. I love creating YouTube videos, and so I want to share with you today how I create my YouTube videos. Now, this is not by any means the all way how to do it. Everybody has their way of doing it. This is specifically how I do it, and it works for me. It helps my videos to rank in Google and on YouTube as well. So I want to share that with you today. Now, I create most of my video computer. Very seldom do I use the phone unless I'm doing a selfie video or walking around with my selfie stick or something like that, which I haven't done in a while. But you can create YouTube videos with your phone, Apple or Android. It makes no difference. So I also wanted to show you in this video the tools that I'm using, not so much as the camera or the phone or the microphone and things like that, but I want to show you the software that I'm using to create my videos, create my thumbnails, and things like that. And what I'm going to do, I'm starting a series, and today I'm going to do how to make a YouTube video, and then the next day I'm going to talk about, the next video I'll be talking about, what you should say in your videos, and then how to SEO, search engine optimization, for your videos if you want to do that and things like that. So I'm going to do a little series of these, and I'm showing you the way I'll do it. You can find other people who have certain ways that they do it, but there are some tricks or tricks that I use in order to get my videos ranked in YouTube and in Google without paying for views on other sites like some people do. That's one of the things you can do, but I don't do that. I have my own method for doing it, and I'm going to share that with you in these videos. So with that being said, what I'm going to do, I'm going to drop myself down. Now, well, before I do that, I'm going to tell you right now, one of the softwares that I use is called Screencast-O-Matic, and this is what I'm using right now at this very moment to record this video. It is a screen capture software that you can download for free. Okay, and it gives you up to 15 minutes of video time, and they also have a watermark on your video, but which is not bad. I mean, 15 minutes is good enough to get your message across. As you know, some of my videos go a little longer. Okay, now if you decide that you want to make longer videos, then you can upgrade for $18 a year. So with that being said, I'm going to drop myself down, and this is what this tool does. It allows you to drop yourself down, okay, over into the corner or wherever you place it. You can move yourself around wherever you want to be. Okay, so I'm going to go back over into this corner. Now, here's the thing: some of you all, or some people, don't like their face being shown in their video. Well, there's a box on here that you can click when you see it down in the corner. If you click that box, then it hides you, so you're just recording your screen. Okay, so that's what I like about this. You can hide yourself if you want to. If you're an introvert or a shy person and you don't want yourself on the camera, then you can do that. Then if you click the button back to the left of it, then it appears. If you click the button to the left of it, then it brings you back up onto the screen like this. Okay, so this is Screencast-O-Matic here. As I say, you can sign up for free. Okay, the only thing you have to do is just sign up for an account, use the tool as is. Like I said, we'll have a watermark over it, but you can get it and start creating your videos. Okay, I can log into my account here. And if you log into your account, if you don't download the software to your computer, then you can just start the recorder here, okay, and start recording straight from in here, or you can go over here and actually download it. Okay, so you can do those as well. And you can open up the video editor, if you click on there, and this is the I'm just going to do that, but this is the software here. It will show up like this Okay, if you want to record, you would click here and things like that. Okay, I'm gonna see if I click record, it may start trying to record over this one. I really don't know how that's going to affect it. So, but this is the actual software. If any updates come up, you will have a notification here. You have the help button. You know, it tells you the latest version. You can send in a problem. Okay, and just kind of read through this. But I'm not going to try to record over a recording. I don't think I am. The recorder is recording. Please click here to pause. So I'm going to click that. Anyway, I'm going to close that out. Let me do that. I'm going to do that. I'm going to just drop this down. Okay. And you have your plans. Like I said, if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade. So I recommend Screencast-O-Matic. There are others out there that you can use. That's your choice, but this is just what I use, and it works great for me. I have been using it for years, since I started doing YouTube videos. Okay, so this is how I create my videos. The next thing I do after I have created the video and I download the video to my computer, I can edit the video. Actually, you can edit the video right here within Screencast-O-Matic. Okay, so you're able to do that right here inside of Screencast-O-Matic. But if I want to add some type of effects and things, then I use Movie Maker 10 from Microsoft, and it says tell your story. Okay, I can use Movie Maker 10, and I used to use this Windows Movie Maker, the old version. Some of you all may know what it looks like. This is the old version, which I still have and I can still use at times. Okay, but I use this version here, and this is what it looks like. Okay, now there's a free version for this, and there's a paid version. The paid version is $9.95 one time, and you're good to go. So you have all of these editing options within Movie Maker. Okay, so if you wanted to do a new project, you just simply click here on New Project. You can add a clip, arrange your clips, add music, edit music, save the project, and save your video. Okay, right here within this piece of software, video editing software, which I probably edit this particular video in this software as well. But like I said, if you just wanted to use the old Windows Movie Maker, I don't know if you may can still download it, but I don't think they have much support with it right now. So if you want to start a new project, you click on New Project. Once again, add a clip. Okay, you can pick a video, you can add titles, you know, pick a photo or a video. I'm just going to choose this one here. Is something I've already done, and you can hold a control key and click both of them and then add them in here. Okay, now what I would like to do, I know they're backwards, so what I'm going to do is arrange clips. I'm going to take it and slide it over here. Okay, and then I'm going to click save, and then when I get ready to edit the video, I just click on it. You have the different layouts you can use, okay, in here. So you can choose layouts. You can choose go back to the regular one. You can choose the transitions. Okay, smooth bar, you can drag smooth bar, cross zoom. You have all of these transitions that you can use here. Okay, that's going to kind of help you, you know, just edit your videos to however you want to do it. Okay, then you have more tools here where you can split the video, trim the video, and if you click on edit video here, then over here to your right you have other controls that you can use. And as I said, if you're using the free version, then you'll be limited to what you can actually do inside of here. So you can do, you know, transitions, add captions, and photo overlay and things like that. So it's a nice piece of software that you can use, and you can look into using it. If you have a video editing software already, then you don't need this. Okay, so that's what I do once I download my video and I edit my video in Movie Maker. Okay, the next thing I do is I create me a thumbnail. Now, a lot of people use Camtasia and other photo imaging software, Canva, you know, stuff like that. I simply use Microsoft PowerPoint to do this, okay? If I want to just, you know, do a quick presentation, I'm actually doing it online right now. I do pay for the 365 version of this, but I also have it down here below. But if I want to do, you know, just a quick image, I don't try to, let me see, I'm a layout. I'm gonna pick I normally pick blank, change the layout. I come over here to insert a picture. Okay, then I can go to, let's just say TCP. I'm going to go to images, see if I can find one. I'm just going to say this one here, open it up, and then I can resize it. You know, you can do whatever, you can choose here. Okay, then it makes it like you want it. If you want to choose another one, then you can do that. If you want to change the design, your background color, okay, so you can give yourself a background, move this image over, and then when I get ready to, you know, if I can make it as big as I want, okay. And like I said, you can use Canva and stuff like that if you want to. That's totally up to you. And when I get ready to insert some text, I come over here and click, and I do like a, you know, a text box. And I drag this over here, and then you can insert whatever text you know you want in here. Okay, then you can resize it, you know, make it bold. You want to make it bold, you want to center it. You know, you can change the font of it however you want to do it. You can change the size of it, you know, 44, kind of spread it out a little bit. Okay, you can do things like that with it. If you don't want it that big, you can make it smaller. If you want to insert some, you know, some other images, you can go from here. I like to use the red arrows, and I'll find me a red arrow, you know, something like this here. Then insert, drag it around, kind of resize it, center it with that. Okay, then if I want to add some other text down there, you can even do, you know, just say if you want to, I guess an emoji, you know, you can do something like that. Click on that, insert, and that's totally up to you, you know, if you want to do that. And you can also delete that. And here's the thing, if you don't want something with a background, just say emoji PNG, okay, something like that right here. Insert. Well, that one didn't do it, but anyway, it wouldn't have a background there. So let me try it one more time. If not, we're going to move on. I'm not going to prolong the time. And things, let's see, let's just say maybe something, I'm just choosing this to be choosing it. Yeah, see, something like that right there, where to fit in with your background. You can kind of resize it a little bit, you know, if you want to put some fun images on there, things like that. So this is how I do my video. And then you can come over here to the left, to your right, and choose how you want it to be laid out. Okay, you can choose different layouts, so that's up to you. So that's how I do my thumbnails. Okay, so with that being said, that's going to be the gist of this video. I'm not going to get into the actual strategies right now, that the editing part of my videos that I do before I upload them to YouTube, because I want to save that for a later video, and I'm actually going to put that in a training that I am creating specifically for YouTube. I'm going to get into YouTube ads as well. Now, with that being said, if you like this video, if you got value from this video, would you do me a favor? Click the like button below, please. Share this video with somebody you know that, share this video with somebody you may know that's looking to learn how to make YouTube videos or want to learn how to create YouTube videos. I didn't go into a lot of depth, but this is just the basics of what I want to show you today. Okay, now here's the thing. When you create your videos, you got to have a purpose. And my purpose for creating videos is to capture leads and to build up my email list and to give the people what they are searching for. So I use a tool called the Conversion Pros for that. If you don't have a marketing tool or a marketing suite that has all the tools that you need in one location to run your business, then I want to ask you to click the link in the description for the Conversion Pros, because it is the tool that I use to grow my business, and I want you to get a 7-day free trial of the Conversion Pros and test it out for yourself to see if this is for you. If you take the 7-day free trial, please get in contact with me so you and I can set up a time that I can help you set up your capture pages and whatever it is that you are trying to do. Okay, so remember, there's a link for the description in the description for Screencast-O-Matic. You should have PowerPoint and on your computer already. If you don't, you can get it from Microsoft. Maybe if you're using iPad or Apple computer, I have no idea, so I'm not even going to try to tell you how to do it. You can do it, but if you don't, I want to invite you to take a 7-day free trial with the Conversion Pros. Okay, so you can build yourself a capture page and get you a funnel set up so you can start growing your business. You don't want to be making YouTube videos just to make YouTube videos. So I want you to take the 7-day free trial. Click the link in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. And in my next video that I'm going to be doing, I will be actually showing you the process of me downloading the video, putting it on my computer and uploading it to YouTube, and the steps that I go through in order to get it up on YouTube itself. So I guess I'll be talking about, in some sort of sense, how to upload your videos to YouTube. Now, like I said, my way is maybe different from other people's ways. Everybody has a strategy. This is what's working for me, and I want to share it with you. So with that being said, thank all of my subscribers. If you just subscribed, welcome aboard. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below and smash that notification bell so you will be notified when I do other videos. Okay, and also I just want to say thank you for the support. If there's anything I can do for you, feel free to get in contact with me. My contact information will be below as well. Click the link in the description, get Screencast-O-Matic, start going through it. Also, get the Conversion Pros 7-day free trial, and I will see you on the other side. Peace. Y'all have a great day today and a better day tomorrow.